Welcome to JJ Cdl Exam, your go-to YouTube channel for free CDL practice tests, real exam tips, and step-by-step study guides to help you pass your CDL written test and endorsements with confidence. Whether you're studying for your CDL General Knowledge, passenger, air brakes, tanker, or HazMat endorsements, you'll find easy-to-follow videos, practice questions, and innovative strategies that break down the CDL manual into what matters, so you can pass your CDL exam on the first try. This channel is for new drivers, CDL permit holders, and anyone serious about becoming a professional truck driver. We cover CDL practice tests with answers, pre-trip inspection walkthroughs, tips to pass your CDL written test, FMCSA rules and DOT safety regulations, real advice from experienced drivers. Join our community, study smart, and get on the road to a better future. Subscribe now to JJ Cdl Exam. Learn, pass, drive.